Everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back. I'm Crystal and I'm a big project planner and I'm really excited. I am nearly finished with my eyeshadow palette that I've been using for months now, and by the end of October project pan I will probably be done with that. So I'm so excited to show this to you. This is the All That Glitters Cargo Cosmetics. And I'm going to use this alongside of, if you're new to my channel, I'm also trying to use this pan or this palette up here too, trying to pan that. But I'll be using that with this one here, and I thought I'd just go ahead and swatch these for you. They're actually really, really pretty. I got these from Kohl's. I can't even remember how long ago now, unfortunately. But these are, they're not a texture that's powdery. So it is one that I have to use up pretty soon, and I don't want to get rid of it before I use it up because they're actually very beautiful powder creamy kind of a consistency. So if you're interested in seeing what these colors look like swatched, I'm just going to go ahead and get started. First one here is called Jet Ski. I'm just going to go from the left to the right. So this one here is Jet Ski. It's a really pretty kind of a green. But if you can see real close, there's some glitters in here. It's very, very pretty. And the next one here is called Sweet. This one is very, very pretty. It's like a brown, but look at all that glitter. I am so excited to officially begin using this palette alongside of the e.l.f. one that I'm trying to use up. Been waiting for quite a long time. This color is called Frosé. So that one's really pretty also. They're all really pretty. The next one here is Cabana. That one's, I think I really like this one. That would be a really nice one to have alongside the brows. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna work this into an eye look yet, or eye looks, but I'm just gonna go ahead and keep swatching these for you. This one here is called Luxury. I have used this one in the past. So if I can get it to swatch, that one's getting harder to swatch. I'm gonna try it again. That's why I want to use this up so it doesn't go bad. There it is. It's a really pretty purple. And the last one on the top row is called Bubbly. So there we go. And that is a really pretty shade as well. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands and come right back. So I took as much off of it as I could on my hand. It's still stained pretty good on there, honestly. So I'm just going to keep going. This next shade here is called Penthouse. And it's a really pretty pink. Oh my gosh. How pretty is that color? I absolutely love glitter, and I love these glitter eyeshadows. I actually got this as part of a set around Christmas time. It was this one, and I think it was 4 other eyeshadow palettes, but this one was the glittery one. So this brown, I can't really see much glitter in there. I mean, if it is, it's very minimum, but it's still real pretty. And that was called Boutique. This next one here is After Party. That one's pretty. That one is really pretty. And then I have 3 more. And I don't know how long this will take to use this palette up. I haven't worked with these textures lately. Look at that. I don't normally like blues, but that is a pretty blue. It's almost like a Barbie blue, if that makes sense. Really, really pretty. And then this one blue is called Charter. And this another one here is called Yacht. And that is what this one looks like. It's in between blue and purple, I want to say. And then the last color in this palette is called Villa. And it is a beautiful gold. Look at that. Oh, these look so much prettier swatched than they do in the palette. I'll go ahead and show you again what the palette looks like in person. So this is what it looks like, and I'm not sure how long it will take to use this up, but I'm extremely excited to add this to my project panning journey. I'll show you a little glimpse of this palette that I am trying to work through because it's nearly gone, and I wouldn't normally do this, but I'm so close. So this is the last one that I'm using. That's why I think maybe 2 weeks this will be used up. It's a creamy consistency. If you're new to my channel, it does. Well, I'll just kind of swatch it since I have it. And I just broke the top. This is another reason that I want to use this up. But this color here is the one I'm using right now. So that's right here. And I actually am wearing it right now. This palette was really, really pretty, but it's going to be a very different textures. I'm so excited. This one is more balmy and I've been using this kind of a texture for at least a couple months now. It'll be nice to use this kind of a texture. It has a lot of glitter, but I really think it'll stay in place more. It won't be as shiny as this one here, as you can see, but still, I'm really excited to use this palette. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please consider giving me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will have many future updates, I am sure, but I for surely will have my next project pan update in October with other videos here and there also throughout, the month. So thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please consider giving me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you all next time. Bye, guys.